Hi, my name is Nalda Morgan Nicholas, and today I want to discuss a crucial topic that often goes unnoticed in educational discussion: the negative impact of auditory learning and collaborative work on boys' academic performance. Auditory learning methods and collaborative work negatively affects boys' academic performance by disregarding their preferred kinesthetic and visual learning style, leading to disengagement and lower achievement in educational settings. While these methods are frequently promoted as effective teaching strategies, they can inadvertently hinder boys' learning process. I will present my argument and address two counterclaims that suggest these techniques are beneficial. To begin, let's examine learning styles. Marantika 2022 describes learning style as the internal goals and specific needs that shape how an individual approaches learning. It is essential to recognize the difference in how boys and girls process information, particularly in educational settings. Research indicates that many boys prefer kinesthetic and visual learning styles, which enable them to grasp concepts through hands-on experiences and visual stimuli, rather than through auditory methods such as lectures or audio material. A study by Aprila 2019 on gender differences in English learning style preferences among senior high school students highlights this point, revealing that kinesthetic learning emerged as a top preference among male students learning English. When education relies predominantly on auditory methods, it risks alienating boys who may struggle to engage with material that does not cater to their preferred learning style. This misalignment can lead to disengagement, underscoring the need for a more diversified approach to teaching that accommodates different learning preferences. Moreover, a study by Halif et al. 2020 emphasizes that boys often exhibit lower motivation and engagement in classrooms that utilize predominantly auditory teaching methods. The reliance on listening as a primary mode of instruction can hinder their academic success. Additionally, let's consider collaborative work. While teamwork is essential in many real-world scenarios, it can be detrimental to boys' academic success in a classroom setting. Boys may feel pressured to conform to group dynamics that do not align with their learning styles or personalities. They might also find themselves overshadowed by more vocal peers, leading to frustration and decreased motivation. According to research published by Curl et al. 2018, boys often perform better on individual tasks than in group settings, where they may feel less competent. Now, some may argue that auditory learning can enhance listening skills and comprehension for all students, including boys. They claim that exposure to auditory material can improve vocabulary and literacy skills. While it is true that listening is an essential skill, this argument overlooks the fact that many boys may benefit more from visual or kinesthetic stimuli. A study by Bacon and Wang 2018 indicates that excessive reliance on auditory learning can alienate students who do not thrive in such environments, ultimately impacting their confidence and academic performance. Another counterclaim is that collaborative work fosters essential social skills and prepares students for the workforce, where teamwork is crucial. Proponents of this view argue that collaboration allows students to learn from one another and develop communication skills. However, this perspective fails to recognize that not all boys are equally comfortable in collaborative settings. For some, group work can lead to anxiety and stress, detracting from the ability to focus on the task at hand. Additionally, a study by Smith and Jones 2020 found that the competitive nature of some groups may inadvertently discourage participation from quieter students, further widening the achievement gap. In conclusion, While auditory learning and collaborative work are often hailed as effective educational strategies, they can have negative consequences for boys' academic performance. The difference in learning styles and the challenges faced in group settings highlights the need for a more tailored approach to education that considers the unique needs of all students, particularly boys. As educators and policymakers, we must strive to create an environment that promotes individual strengths and allows every student to thrive academically. Thank you for your attention.